Right, so here is the best way on how you can remix a song in Suno AI. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So remixing a song in Suno AI is very easy. What you have to do is just head over to suno.com and it will bring you to this website right over here. What you have to do is just simply log in into your account, and after that, what you need to do is just find a song in your For You section, and you just need to simply press on these three dots right next to a song. If you press on it over here, you'll see a few options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of remix slash edit. So if you press on it, you'll see a few more options, like you can change its cover, you can extend the audio, adjust its speed, and use styles and your own lyrics. So it's very useful. So let's just check out the cover options. We can also change its cover as you saw, and after that we can extend the audio. It's very easy and simple like this. And here, as you can see, this is the editing section, and it's pretty much everywhere out of here. You can just customize this its style, its add your own lyrics, and add the cover. And if you press on extend right over here, you can change the cover, add your own vocals, add instrumentals, and use your own styles and lyrics. So once all this is done, what you can do is just press create by just customizing your own song. Basically, you've remixed it, and once this is done, you have basically created your own song by just remixing another song. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.